you're experiencing connection errors on your Xbox Series X, there are several steps you can take to improve your connection speed and stability. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet speed. Run a speed test on your internet connection to determine your current download and upload speeds. Ensure that your speeds meet the requirements for online gaming, which typically recommend at least 3 Mbps download and 1 Mbps upload. Step 2. Restart your console and router. Power off your Xbox Series X and unplug your router from the power source. Wait for about 30 seconds, then plug the router back in and turn it on. Once the router is fully restarted, turn your console back on. This can help refresh your connection. Step 3. Use a wired connection. For more stable connection, consider using an Ethernet cable to connect your Xbox Series X directly to your router. This can reduce latency and improve overall connection quality compared to Wi-Fi. Step 4. Optimize network settings. Navigate to the network settings on your Xbox Series X, check for any available updates, and ensure that your NAT type is set to open. If it is not, you may need to adjust your router settings or enable UPnP Universal Plug and Play. Step 5. Limit bandwidth usage. If multiple devices are connected to your network, they may be consuming bandwidth. Try disconnecting other devices or limiting their usage while gaming. You can also prioritize your Xbox and your router settings if your router supports quality of service QoS. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Xbox Series X connection issues. Enjoy your gaming experience.